I'm River at Dillweeds Custom Wood, and today we installed a refinished set of chairs on Fabricator. This one, we did them before and we were just coming back to redo them as a courtesy. We had a couple issues with the grit turning white, which was our problem, and we just wanted to come back, fix it, make it right for him, so this season everything looks perfect. Everyone doesn't have that much time during the off season. You know, off season seems long, but in reality with everything being done, it's real short. So we just try to fix everything for everyone and get them, you know, nice and happy, because as soon as fishing season starts, they don't have any time for anything else. Right now, since the plastic tabs, they're like
Christmas trees.
They're like Christmas trees. Sometimes when they break off and, you know, taking the cushions on and off and on and off, you have to put Velcro on them to help them stick to the side of the chair. With these Christmas trees, you break them off often too, because it's just so hard to line them up perfectly, especially when everything, you know, expands and contracts.
Arguably the most difficult.
Yeah. Ask him to borrow his drill, and I'll just gently massage the holes.
I don't think it's the drill. I think it's the hole's just not lining up because it's just bending.
You got to be like rough on them, and that's eventually how they break. But eventually when they get the sides very upholstered and everything, that's when they have them all replaced to brand new ones, and they go in really nice and come out nice. Yeah, I got that one in.
Perfect.
The hardest part about any job with refinishing chairs is always getting everything to look really glassy and smooth. That is beyond the hardest part. Wood's not flat. It's not like painting, you know, a car or stuff like that. There's a lot of hoops I have to jump through as the person who paints everything and make sure it's nice and flat, that I have to sand, flat block it, spray, and do that process over and over and over again until I get to the point where I'm like, okay, cool, it looks like it's a flat surface instead of the wood going like this, you know, because wood's not perfectly flat. So, but we've really drifted away from how we did it before and started, you know, learning new methods to where everything becomes faster, it looks better, it's less time consuming for us, and it's more cost effective for the guys who are paying us to redo it. We also did gloss steps up to the bridge. You want to take these steps off? Or do you want to put these right on? Or do you got the rubber?
I don't know if this tape you bought's gonna work, Dylan.
Why? I think it's too wide.
I was expecting just to do one in the center.
Yeah, but then you're gonna have to cut around the holes.
I mean,
is that what you wanted to do?
I know.
Well, here, you can cut around the holes. I'm looking.
All shiny. Looks good.
I like working with Cody at Fabricator a lot, and his deckhand and his boss. They're really nice people. I love the boat. It's the nicest boat around here. Cody really tries to help us push the bar higher and higher. He's the one that got us into this business. Every time we see him, he's like, can you do better? Can you do better? Can you do better?
Like I said, I'm anxious to get all this on. The steps sure are pretty.
I think they're going to look really good once they get installed. We went to go grab some stainless screws. We tried those plastic ones, but it's just not going to be ideal, so we're going to put stainless in.
Yeah, a little trial and error. We thought we could make it with the plastic, but they're not going to work.
End up just cracking and breaking.
What in the world is going on?
So we're just going to go with stainless.
What was under there to start with?
Plastic, which was cracking and breaking. That's how that first step. That's how all this started. That first step popped loose and pulled it off, and saw there was teak on the bottom side. So Dylan just to sand it down and look at it, and ended up being full teak.
Freaking arms are getting sore.
My only complaint about the wood ones I changed to before, I told you, they all got loose. They every single one of them, then they started breaking.
Yeah.
So once they get loose, guys, they will break.
Yes.
I can tell you that right now.
The good thing about these ones is these ones all have inserts, stainless inserts. So they're all threaded in there. So no matter what, as much as you unscrew you'll never.
It's called a helical insert. Ooh, guys, thank you.
You're welcome.
Good job. This is looking great.
And we got everything fixed up for him. He's real happy.